Funny thing happened when I was trying to dial in some reverb for a song I was working on. And let me just say up front, I can't replicate this bug. I can't fix this bug, but I think it's very important to know that this can happen and some troubleshooting tips and things just to verify that this is what's happening to you if you're experiencing it. Here's the current signal chain I'm using. I've stripped it down while I was troubleshooting just to make sure this wasn't related to pedals in any way. Since what I was after was more reverb, I clicked on the speaker cabinet. I used the mixer right here, and I turned up the room microphones. But I didn't hear any change, so I turned them up even further. Then I checked the room, and it was on hall, but I changed to the subway just to be sure. And now I'm convinced that things are not working as designed. Eventually I thought, well, let me just mute the close-up mics. That'll let me hear it. But surprising to me, that made no difference. Then I muted the room mics, and so now I'm expecting I won't hear anything, but I was wrong again. Just to be sure, I switched to the full mixer view and toggled all the mute buttons, thinking that it was possible the mute function was being overridden, so then I just dragged down all the faders. Now I was wondering if anything in the mixer worked, so I unmuted the DI channel. That did make a difference. Then I dragged down the bus mixer, and you can see the input is moving, but no sound is heard, so that also works. Somehow, just the left half of the mixer with the mics and room seems to have been locked in place and can't be changed. I also tried changing cabinets and speakers, but nothing seems to fix this preset. I don't know what's wrong with it. I don't know how it got in this state, and I don't know how to get it out of this state. My solution was to use the Save Model Preset feature for the amp and create a completely new preset. That did work. So if you are making adjustments in AmpliTube and nothing seems to be happening, do some drastic changes like muting and mess around with the mixer to verify that your preset hasn't gotten into this semi-zombie state.